There's a lot of talk about kidnappings right now. I just really want to make sure and that my sister's safe. She did pickle me a lot when we were kids, but she did call me a nerf herder, and that really hurt my feelings. But I just feel as if I need to make sure everything is safe. She's safe. If someone could check on her at 124 Thompson Street in Illinois, that would be great. Just don't want her to get kidnapped or put in a dungeon somewhere. It would just be terrible.